Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore PayPal Sandbox accounts after configuration resets step by step clearly. To restore PayPal Sandbox accounts after configuration resets, begin by logging into your PayPal developer dashboard. Navigate to developer.paypal.com. Once logged in, locate the Dashboard tab. In the dashboard, find the section labeled Sandbox. Click on Accounts to view your existing Sandbox accounts. Identify the account you wish to restore. If necessary, click on Create Account to set up a new Sandbox account. Select the account type, such as personal or business, based on your testing needs. Next, assign a unique email address for the Sandbox account. Fill in the required details, including the account holder's name. After completing the form, click Create. Once the account is created, return to the account list. Select the newly created account and click on Profile. Make sure to generate or retrieve the account's password for future access. Now, click on the API Credentials section for this account. Take note of the API credentials, including the client ID and secret. If needed, you can also create additional API credentials for different purposes. Once you have the credentials, open your application where you intend to use the Sandbox accounts. In your application, replace the existing PayPal credentials with the new Sandbox API credentials. Ensure that the application is configured to use Sandbox endpoints instead of live endpoints. Test the integration by making a transaction using the restored Sandbox account. Monitor the transaction in both your application and in the PayPal developer dashboard. If you encounter any issues, double-check your API credentials and configurations. Once you've confirmed that everything is working correctly, you can proceed with further testing. Remember to regularly update and maintain your Sandbox accounts as necessary. This process will help you effectively restore and manage your PayPal Sandbox accounts after configuration resets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.